In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a design like this, which is basically a shape, an internal shape. In this case, it's a city line that's welded to an outside frame, in this case, a shamrock. So to begin something like this, and by the way, you can use any two vector shapes to do this. All right, so here's what I'm starting with. Here's the frame, the shamrock, all right? And again, I call it a frame because basically it's an internal shape and an external shape that's been merged together so that the inside is hollow. And then I've got the city line. All right, so the first thing I need to do is to make a copy of this frame shape. And notice also I've got the frame shape. Let me bring the layers panel over. And you can see I've got the shamrock frame. It's on top. So I have it on top and then the city line below. So I'm going to take this shamrock frame and I'm going to make a copy of it. So I'm just going to go to Copy and then go to Edit, Paste in Place. Okay, so now then I have a copy directly on top, and then I'm going to hide that copy. So I'm not going to mess with it. So now then I'm just basically back to my two original shapes. Then the next step is I want to break apart this frame and get rid of the smaller inner part, inner shape. So I'm going to select the frame and go to Object, Break Apart. Okay, then I'm going to take this inner part, just select it and hit Delete, and then I'm left with the larger outside shape. All right. Now, while we're at it, I'm going to take this frame. I'm going to hide the, let me pop out, I'll pop out the fill and stroke. I'm going to hide the basically the internal color, fill color so that you can kind of see it now. So again, this is what I'm going to be doing. What I need now is I need the intersection between the city shape and the outside frame. So I'm going to select both and go to Path, Intersection. And when I do that, that basically captures that part of the city line that is inside the shamrock, the outside shamrock frame. Okay, with that done, then I can come back and just turn on that outside frame again. And because I use the outside shamrock, the city frame actually overlaps the inside of the frame. So then I can just take the two of them and go to Path Union. And when I do that, I end up with the shamrock thing. And of course, I'm going to come back and make that green, which is more appropriate for St. Patrick's Day. And there you have it. That is ready to cut out. So anyway, that's how you create a design like this. And if you like this video and you want to learn more about designing in Sure-Cuts-A-Lot, be sure and check out the classroom that's available at scrappydoo.com. This classroom contains over 150 videos and over 10 hours of training. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.